2010 Hyundai Genesis 4.6 liter V8. Titanium gray metallic. Aluminum alloy wheels. New set of tires. Dual chrome tipped exhaust. Nice black leather interior. Carpeted floor mats. Rear windshield shade. Retractable. Wood grain trim throughout. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Memory driver seat. Premium Lexicon audio system with subwoofer. Heated and cooled driver seat. Free 90-day trial Sirius XM satellite radio with navigation and backup camera. Retractable rear shade when you put it in reverse. Hands-free Bluetooth, cruise control, smart cruise control, automatic headlights, parking sensors. Under 114,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Come by and see us, won't last long.